Imagine zooming in or out on a shape while keeping everything proportional. That's what we call dilation in geometry. A dilation is a transformation that stretches or shrinks a shape relative to a fixed point, called the center of dilation. The amount by which we stretch or shrink is determined by the scale factor. If the scale factor is greater than 1, the shape expands or stretches outward. If the scale factor is between 0 and 1, the shape shrinks or contracts inward. Let's take a point on a coordinate plane. Suppose we have a point, 2, 3, and we dilate it with a scale factor of 2. To find the new coordinates, we multiply each coordinate by the scale factor. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. The new point is 4, 6, twice as far from the center. Similarly, if we shrink it with a scale factor of 0.5, the new point is 1.0, 1.5, moving closer to the center. Dilations preserve the shape, but change its size based on the scale factor. This transformation is used in real life, from resizing images to understanding proportions in blueprints and maps. Now that we understand how dilation works, let's visualize it on a coordinate plane.